Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, July 24, 2023. Today's video is about USS Commodore Perry. USS Commodore Perry was a 512 long-ton, 520-ton, steamer acquired by the Union Navy during the first year of the American Civil War. She was named after Commodore Oliver Hazard Perry, a naval officer who had commanded American forces on Lake Erie in the War of 1812. From January to February 1862, Commodore Perry was part of the North Atlantic Blockading Squadron, taking part in the attack, in cooperation with the Union Army, which resulted in the surrender of Roanoke Island by the Confederate States of America. She participated in several other campaigns through 1862, including the capture of Elizabeth City, North Carolina, and Army-Navy expeditions against Franklin, Virginia, and Hertford, North Carolina. From 1863 until the end of the war, she was engaged in patrols, both inland and in Virginia coastal waters. Commodore Perry was decommissioned and sold in 1865. This albumen silver print of Commodore Perry on the Pamunkey River was taken from a glass negative captured by the Civil War photographer Timothy H. O'Sullivan. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.